In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of CMIS Workbench to connect to IBM CMIS for FileNet. First, download the OpenCMIS Workbench, then bring up this IBM CMIS for FileNet index page. This is where we get all the URLs to connect, and then we establish connections to the CMIS for FileNet. There's a link to download the OpenCMIS Workbench. We want to scroll down to the OpenCMIS Workbench 1.1. Okay, this is the main page of the CMIS Workbench. Now we need to go get the CMIS index page. Okay, make sure that you're prompted to provide your credentials. If you're not prompted to provide your credentials, that means the CMIS server hasn't been installed and configured correctly. After logging in, you see the index page, you see the different bindings, and then most importantly, the object stores that are in this FileNet domain. So let's go back to the bindings. So there are three different bindings: RESTful AtomPub, web services, and browser. We're going to establish connections for each one. So these are the URLs that we'll be using. I copied them here, so I am going to copy it here and paste them into the URL here. Notice that we need to check which binding we want to connect to, the use for the connection. Enter the credential, and then click Load Repositories. It will show us a list of object stores. I'm going to pick Design, Login, and that's it. We're in. We can navigate the root directory. Okay. Now we're gonna connect using a different kind of binding. This time we're going to use the web services. We have to select web services binding here. Same thing here. This time I'm going to select the different object store. All right. And lastly, we are going to use browser binding. Once logged in, we can run different commands, one of them being querying the object store. This is sample to search for documents, and we only want the first 100.